welcome back to another video, guys. I am going to go through this video. I was asked a few times on how you can reset the DPF pressure sensors and whatnot. Obviously this car's got it all been sorted, sensors have been changed, everything's fine. Yes, the engine light is on, as you can see. So we'll just turn it off. So we can clear it, there is no question, but that will not eliminate the fault code. So what you'll have to do is go into the engine section. This is the Kingbolen K7, by the way. It's got a 3-year free update. Brilliant machine for the price. It's around £400-ish on Amazon. Can't fault it in any way. So let it do the erase. Okay, it's clear as you can all see, but that's not, well, it is true, but I would highly recommend doing what I'm doing next. So go into, well, we've got climate control, I know the aircon's out and whatnot. So go into the engine control unit. I'll see if I can get into it this way. Okay, so yeah, you'd go into your basic settings, okay guys. You would then pick the option you need. Oh, sorry. So for in that case, you know, I've done it anyway. You'd hit that, hit OK. Oh, what am I doing? Hit OK, and then I might have I've selected a few. Sorry. So OK, and then hit adjust. It'll do it. And then coming back, you've got other. So the other thing I would do as well for this would be this one, reset them values. That one as well, and that obviously. And then that'll really cure it, come out of it, and it should really solve everything. But that's the way to do it, guys. And yes, the machine does have quite a lot of capabilities. As I said, it's worth every penny if you ask me.